Hello, welcome viewers to another segment of Live Expert Interviews.tv. My name is Steve Young, and thank you so much for joining us today. Today we're talking about a very important topic, and that is how to find a good plastic surgeon. Now, fortunately, joining us from Austin, Texas is Dr. Scott Haydon. Doc, thanks for joining us.
Thanks, Steve. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely, Doc. Well, look, the burning question everybody has is really, with your years of experience, what advice would you give to somebody looking for a good plastic surgeon? Maybe like the top 3 things.
I think first of all, you have to start off to see what their qualifications are and what their certification is. I think everybody hears about finding somebody who's board certified, but the most important thing is that they're board certified in plastic surgery. In addition to that, you want to make sure that their specialty is in the area that you're looking for. So you want, if you're having breast surgery or body surgery, you want someone that's kind of their specialty. You want to know what their experience is. You also want to know, frankly, how many they do. And then finally, you want to see kind of what their results look like with their pictures, and you want to see reviews of them and what other patients say.
Doc, I love that. That's some very awesome advice. Now, the thing I really like was the reputation reviews, going online, taking a look. I mean, it's really easy to say really good things about yourself, but it's a whole different ballgame when you've got other people saying good things about you. Wouldn't you say?
Yes.
Absolutely. So, Doc, let me ask you, if somebody was looking for a good plastic surgeon and they came to you, what type of an experience could they expect?
I think what you'll find is that we're a very personable office. When you call to make an appointment, you're going to talk to somebody who understands plastic surgery, who's able to answer some of your questions and to direct you to our website and discuss things that you can look at ahead of time so that you've got a good feel for it prior to getting here. And that way, when you do get here and are at the consultation, then you're comfortable asking the questions that are going to give you the information that you want and allow you to make your decision.
That makes really good sense, Doc. I like that. I like the communication part, informing the client, and keeping that communication open. Now, let me ask you, Doc, with your years of experience, how is your practice a little bit different from maybe some of the other plastic surgeons in the marketplace?
I think what I'm able to do is take my expertise and my training and kind of mold it into the type of practice that I like. The majority of my practice is not only breast and body work with cosmetic focus, but also a lot of breast cancer reconstruction. And I think being able to couple those things together really gives me a unique perspective, and that allows me to really help people and use all the tools that I have.
Doc, if you would just, I mean, one of the things we talked about earlier was the results. I mean, the results you're able to produce for some of your patients are just phenomenal. Can you just talk a little bit towards that?
Sure. I think it's very important when you're looking for a plastic surgeon that you look at their results, because frankly, that's bottom line what everybody wants. They want a good result. I think you want to feel comfortable with your surgeon. You want to feel like you're on the same page. But at the end of the day, the most important thing is that you have a good result.
That is so true, and that's what everybody's typically looking for, is the result at the end of the day. And I know you deliver that for your patients from what we've talked about and what I've seen. Now, let me ask you, Doc, I know you do some special things for new patients. What exactly is it you do for new patients?
I think one of the things that we're able to do for our new patients is we take their consult fee, we apply it towards their surgical fees. We give subsequent discounts on people that have more than one procedure at a time. And then the other thing is that we have a preoperative meeting set up with our nurse who's able to go over some things prior to their surgery so that they really do feel comfortable with what to expect both before the surgery and then after the surgery.
I love it. That is great. So if someone's interested in any type of plastic surgery, and they're located in Austin, Texas, they're going to want to look you up and give you a call. What's your office phone number, Doc?
Our office number is 512-300-2600.
And your website, what's your website?
We are drhaydon.com, which is just drhaydon.com.
I love it. Doc, thank you for the sound advice today. Viewers, if you're looking for a plastic surgeon, take the Doc's advice. Go online, look for their qualifications and certifications, make sure they have the experience you're looking for, and then take a look at the reputation and reviews, what other people are saying about them. Doc, I want to thank you so much for joining us today.
Steve, thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Viewers, if you're anywhere near Austin, Texas, and you have any plastic surgery needs, make sure you look for Dr. Scott Haydon in the Austin, Texas area. We'll see you on the next segment of LiveExpertInterviews.tv.